Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can host a server in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Among Us, and here you want to click online, and you want to click here, create a game. When you're going to be here, you have option to choose between 3 maps right here. You got on the skeld. Then you're going to choose like impostors, how many of them you want, and then you choose the chat, so English or different. And max players 10, 9, 8, it's really up to you. So when you're gonna have it, just press confirm. And here I am. And now what I need to do is to get this code and send it to someone. So yeah, and this is how you can host a private game or normal game. And yeah, goodbye.